Owning a home is kind of a big deal. Knowing exactly how to care for it, well, that can be time-consuming and frustrating. Guess what? Those worries are gone. Introducing HomeKey. It makes caring for your home simple and easy. After you activate your home, you'll gain access to everything. And we mean everything. Paint colors, appliances, user guides, warranties, flooring, smart devices, measurements, HVAC. You get the idea. HomeKey even guides you through your home's personalized maintenance plan. Monthly to-dos include the exact parts and care products you'll need for every task. Simply tap and boom, it will be delivered to your door. And when you decide to paint a room, add an appliance, or heck, put in that new pool you've been dreaming of, make sure you add it to HomeKey. It's as simple as snapping a pic. Now, it's a part of your home's history. Pretty handy, right? If you decide it's not your forever home, it's okay. HomeKey stays with the home. The new owner will get access to the home's complete history, minus, of course, your personal information, which is kept private, safe, and secure. HomeKey. We're simplifying home ownership.